Welcome, friends. We are standing at the gates of a brand new reality. This isn't just a house. It's a full modern dream built from scratch in a quiet, top-tier neighborhood just north of Dallas in Frisco. We have full, exclusive access to walk through every single room of this 9,500 square foot home, and I have to tell you, the very first thing you see out back, it changes everything. Let's start with where we are. Privacy comes first here. Look around. We're at the very end of a peaceful private road inside a secure gate. No one drives past. It's just you, the trees, and this incredible structure. They say everything is bigger in Texas, and from the curb you can feel that promise. There's space for plenty of cars out front, but the real story is over here. Most homes have a two-car garage. This place, think bigger. There are 3 separate garage spaces. One right here, a private one around the side, and you can actually drive straight through your own private courtyard to get to the third one. It's a car lover's dream, but it's just the start. This entire home is brand new. It was designed by an expert builder, but the heart of it came from a family who moved here from across the ocean with a clear vision. They wanted a perfect Texas life, and they built the stage for it. They were kind enough to let us in to see it all, so let's not wait another second. Come with me. The front door is your first clue that this is different. It's huge, a grand pivot door that feels solid and important. You step through, and wow, this is not just an entryway, it's an experience. To your left is the formal dining room. A long table sits under a sparkling chandelier, but the real star is the wall of windows. The light is amazing all day, and right here they built something special, a backlit display wall for glassware and drinks. Imagine at night, with those lights on, it glows like a piece of art you can see from the driveway. But look up, that feeling you get right now, that's the scale. The ceiling here is 24 feet high, it soars, the hallway is wide and grand. To make it feel warm, not cold, they added these beautiful wood panels on the walls. It's a small touch that makes a new house feel like a home already. Now, walk straight ahead into the main living room, take a breath. This space is about moments, family dinners, big games, quiet nights by the fire. That incredible ceiling continues here, making the room feel vast and open. On the main wall is a custom-built entertainment center with a massive television. Below it, a sleek, modern fireplace that throws just the right amount of heat and light. On either side are shelves for your favorite things, books, photos, art, and see this stone. It's a deep, dramatic black quartz. You'll see it everywhere. It ties the whole home together with a clean, strong line. Speaking of which, the kitchen, are you ready? You walk in and your eyes go straight to the islands. Not one, but 2 huge, long islands in the center of the room. This is the heart of the American dream right here. The same beautiful black quartz covers the tops and flows down the sides in a smooth waterfall edge. And the storage, look everywhere. Cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling. This fridge is a premium, built-in model, perfect for drinks and everyday items. But I need to let you in on a secret. This beautiful kitchen you're looking at, this is the show kitchen. The real cooking, the big family meals, the messy, wonderful stuff that happens back here. Through this sleek pocket door is a second, fully equipped kitchen. It has another full set of appliances, ovens, a cooktop, and a huge amount of counter space. This is where you can cook a feast for 20 people and keep all the chaos tucked away. Close these doors and the main kitchen is spotless, ready for guests. It's pure genius. From this back kitchen, you can step right out to the side courtyard or head towards the cozy part of the house. Just around the corner is a sweet breakfast nook, right next to a stunning floating staircase. The furniture here, like much of the home, is from beautiful, comfortable brands. The family is still adding their personal touch, making it theirs. Now down this hallway is a room you'll love. It's a second living room, a media room, a getaway space. There's a big screen TV on the wall, but look out this window. You have a perfect view of your own private putting green. Practice your golf swing anytime, but here's a fun detail. See this part of the TV wall? It's actually a window that looks straight into the two-car garage, so you can admire your cars from your couch. Now, are you ready to see the reason Texas living is so famous? Let's go outside, step out, and listen. That's the sound of a water feature. Peace. This covered patio is an outdoor living room with comfortable couches and a ceiling fan for a gentle breeze. The space out here is unbelievable. To your right is a full outdoor kitchen, a big grill, a sink, a fridge, and an ice maker for those long summer nights. But look straight ahead, the pool. It is stunning. The design is modern and elegant. There's a water wall, and behind it, built into the stone, is a linear fireplace. At night, when both are on, the fire looks like it's dancing on the water from inside the house. It's a magical effect. Right next to the pool is that putting green we saw from inside. Step out of your office, take 5 minutes, and putt a few balls. There's also an outdoor shower to rinse off after a swim. Let's walk around. The backyard is designed for easy living with artificial turf that's always green, no mowing needed. The pool has colorful LED lights that change the mood, and tucked in is a large, built-in hot tub with beautiful tile work. The best homes connect inside and outside perfectly, and this one does. So let's go back in through the most important room in the house, the primary suite. The bedroom itself is a true retreat. It's large and serene with a comfortable sitting area, a fireplace for chilly nights, and a large TV. The whole house has a smart speaker system, so your music follows you here, but the real luxury is through these double doors. This is the bathroom. In the center is a beautiful, freestanding bathtub set against a wall of unique honeycomb tile. There are 2 large vanities with so much storage you might never fill it all. And through this door is not just a shower, it's a massive steam room. You can walk right in now through this glass door. Be prepared. This is the closet, but that word doesn't do it justice. It's a dressing room worthy of a luxury boutique. A chandelier hangs in the center. The storage is perfectly organized with sections for him and for her. It's breathtaking. This closet even connects straight to a large laundry room, making life easy. Before we go upstairs, let's peek at a guest room on this main floor. This bedroom is peaceful, with lovely views of the quiet front yard. It has its own little kitchenette with a microwave and fridge, perfect for families staying a while. The bathroom has a large walk-in shower with a bench. Now to see the rest of the home, we head up. But instead of using the main stairs inside, let's use the amazing spiral staircase outside in the front courtyard. Yes, they created a beautiful outdoor lounge area even in the front, with sofas and fans to enjoy the peaceful view. Upstairs, the first thing you notice is the space. The landing area is so big, they made another lounge and entertainment spot up here. There's a big TV, sofas, and even a wet bar with a counter, a popcorn machine, and a fridge. And look over this railing, you get this incredible open view down into the double-height living room below. It's a wow moment. This top floor is where the rest of the family and guests live. Every bedroom here is a suite. That means every room has its own full private bathroom, and every room has its own private balcony. This first one is spacious and bright. Through that door is a private terrace. This next room has something special, its own office nook with pocket doors you can close for quiet. Let's step out onto this balcony. It's more than just a balcony. It has its own air conditioning unit. That's right, a climate controlled outdoor space. You can use it in the blistering Texas summer heat or on a cool fall evening. It's a totally private outdoor room. We'll see a few more bedrooms, each with a slightly different layout and view. There's also a second, full laundry room upstairs for convenience. And this flexible room here, with soft lighting and a quiet feel, could be a prayer room, a yoga studio, or a meditation space. It's whatever the family needs it to be, and that, my friends, brings us to the end of our tour. We have walked through a true custom built dream home in Texas. We saw the grand spaces, the smart secrets like the second kitchen, the incredible backyard oasis, and the private suites where everyone can find their own peace. If you enjoyed this journey, if you love seeing what's possible when vision meets a plot of land, please do us a huge favor. Tap that like button below. It truly helps our channel, Winds of Thought, grow. And subscribe. We travel everywhere to find these special places, from the coasts of California to the penthouses of New York, and we'd love for you to come along for the next tour. Check out our other adventures in the playlist on the screen now. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you on the next one.